My name is Sudip Maiti. I'm an interview mastery expert. Today, before starting the exact topic, I'll ask you one quick question. Do you think that cover letter is really important? It should go with the CV? Write down in the comment box below. I would say it's really important. 72% recruiter, they says that they want the cover letter. It's an analysis says. 48% takes giant, they want the cover letter. But what is all about this cover letter? What are the things you should cover in this cover letter? First thing is that your cover letter, first paragraph, it should be very meaningful and the strong message you are giving about yourself. Second thing is that keep in mind, you should address a specific person. Number 3 is that your qualifications, whether is it suitable for the job description or not, you should write it down in the cover letter. And the fourth point is that your skills, your expertise, how much is it aligned with the job description of the organizations. Write it down in the cover letter. These are the few points you should mention in your cover letters. When you send your CV, along your CV, you just share the cover letter, which will give to the hiring manager at a glance about yourself. Who are you? They will come to know about your expertise, your qualifications, your past achievements, accomplishment, everything they can see in a G structures in your cover letter. So they don't have to spend much time on the profile and CV. So that's the reason 72% recruiters, they want cover letter. So follow these particular things. I believe it will help you to write down your own cover letter, and also you will get shortlisted very easily. Thank you.